All right, now it's time to put some holes in. I just got, again, another little jig here for putting these in like such. And then drilling down the pilot hole. Boop, boop, boop. So that looks pretty well aligned. Now we can just take our squish bar. Ta-da! And then this doesn't seem to have enough power to actually drill the 1/2 inch hole. So we use the hand drill for that. You're over here. All right, so now drilling through the pilot hole with the 1/2 inch bit. This part, I have to make sure that I'm really comfortable with how my body is and I feel like everything is in control, or else the drill can get ripped right on my hand. So making sure I feel very stable is important. So I like to step on this, or on the longer ones, just brace it down under this cabinet. I'm having something braced at the back here. Leaning in, I'm pulling it into my leg, so that way this isn't going anywhere. I got the drill arm tucked in tight, so I feel very stable. Pushing in with my whole body. There's one more down. Only like way too many to go. Alright, so I got them all squished and bent and pilot holes done, except my DeWalt frickin' bit for the 1/2 inch broke, so I'm going to try this Irwin stepper one. And I'm going to try that in the drill press and see if that helps, see if that works better. The DeWalt bit was $17 and you can see that like the tip broke off, so that's awesome. That was 17 something. This one was like 20 bucks. Hopefully it'll work better. All right, here goes. Fuck. This is hard to do to where you can still see. Oop, breaking everything. All right. It's getting loud. Ear protection. Also, I'm not going to be able to do this for very long because it's dark and my neighbors will get pissed. There's a piece of wood down here to hold this, so this is clamped together. And that is causing problems. Also, that is the end of the travel. Oh, this is tedious. The end of the travel. I don't know if that is enough. That's not enough. Oh, why? Why? I got one more idea. Does that get me far enough to use the broken bit to finish it off? Please let this work. I'm so tired. So tired. Oh, progress. Oh, just a little progress. Does that not work? Yay, just enough. Just barely enough. Oh God. Okay. Well, that's a crappy process, but I guess it's kind of okay. It'll have to do. Pile of garbage. Alright, so better drill press, or better knowing how to use this one, I don't know.